Can you see why I turned these beautiful red oak slabs into firewood? I just got the sawmill set up in Ohio and I just got brand new Wood-Mizer saw blades. And they seem to do an excellent job on this red oak here. Comment below if you can see why I decided not to save these boards. Also, let me know if you see what did I not set up quite right here. Would you have turned these to firewood or would you have saved them? I actually got this log from a storm that took place about 3 years ago, and we had some trees fall down in our park, and it was from the cleanup. One thing I like about this Woodland Mills saw is that the lubricating water only flows when you are pulling the throttle handle.